Hi, welcome to another video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily set the mobile menu logo. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily set mobile menu before this logo. So you have to install the Sharai Khana latest version, which is 1.2.7 into your site to get that feature. So if we refresh the page and then go to the mobile menu layout, then you can see that currently the mobile menu logo displaying after the site logo. Okay, so we are going to shift this mobile menu icon before our site logo. Now go to the options panel and if you go to the header styling, then you'll be able to see a new option in here. Please note that you have to update the theme version into 1.2.7. so just turn it on and click the save changes button. Next, refresh the page. Again, go to the responsive layout. Now you can see this option. Now you can see the mobile menu icon is displayed before our logo. It's very easy. I hope that helps. Thank you.